shot. These roots up here. Dave's giving the thumbs up top.
Hey guys, let's talk about it. There he is. He's pretty heavy, I'd say. 35, 40 bait.
That's what we do. Golly, man.
Nice.
Hey guys, we're here today reviewing the Burris Fastfire 3 sight. I opted to go with this on my turkey gun, my Benelli Supernova, because it's not drilled and tapped from the factory. So I went with the speed bead that's also by Burris. This particular sight is an 8 MOA red dot reflex sight. It comes with a no questions asked warranty, no receipt needed, no warranty card needed, transferable to anyone, forever warranty. This particular sight has quite a few brightness settings. It's got an automatic setting where it adjusts to the brightness, and it's got a low, a medium, and a high setting. Alright, we've got our target at about 15 yards, and we're going to start out with some little bird shot until we can get it zeroed in a little more, and then we'll switch over to our TSS, which we'll be shooting with this year.
Them things expensive, we don't want to blast through them.
Oh yeah. Fire in the hole.
Your center, your pattern is about right here.
Okay.
Alright guys, first shot is a little high. Not too bad left and right, so we're going to bring her down a little bit, fire us another round, and see if we can get her right on the bullseye here.
We've got it on the paper with the bird shot. We're going to use one of my old turkey loads, Winchester XR. All these shots are going to pattern differently, so we're going to see what a turkey load will do.
There you go.
Fire in the hole.
Way high.
Turkey load hit about the top of the paper. We're going to readjust and fire one more. Fire in the hole.
Reflex and Calum.
We've got to readjust, and it should be right around the bullseye. Fire in the hole.
There we go, wrong way.
We're just a tad high at 15, so we've backed her up to 30. We're going to shoot again with another turkey load. Fire in the hole. That's all I gotta do.
Now you shoot one of your TSS loads.
We sure we're about 30 here.
Yeah.
pretty good distance. If he shoots that TSS, it's going to be a lot tighter.
Fire in the hole.
Oh gosh, yeah, look at that. You go out 40, 50 yards for that. Maybe 60. That's pretty consistent. I'd say he's got it on, wouldn't you?
Seems like most of it. That's what you want. Like, looks like it's starting here and going.
Yep. Pretty good.
This is at 30 yards with the TSS. I really like the pattern. It did really good. Very tight around the center. I really like the sight because you can shoot with both eyes open. You can find that head easier. Easier to get that turkey down.
Be ready to get that thing on the mountain, won't you?
Oh yeah, we're ready.
Hold the paper up there. Let's show it. Zoom in there. I believe that's a dead turkey, Calum. If you miss now,
It's operator error.
it's operator error. Good job.